Health officials are back at square one as it relates to finding a solution to stop the noxious fumes now affecting the Cornwall Regional Hospital. But as TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports, this is not the only problem with the facility.
With more issues plaguing the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James, there have been suggestions that the health facility should be shut down and a location found to build a new hospital. We put the issue to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton.
If I had my way, and if I could afford it, meaning the government, a brand new hospital in Montego Bay in St. James to replace Cornwall Regional would be the absolute ideal scenario.
Dr. Tufton explained that the facility continues to face challenges. In addition to the noxious fumes, the building was compromised after a recent tremor in the parish.
What we have found in an attempt to restore what was originally a ventilation issue, several sources of contaminants, whether it is mold because of leaking roof and moisture in the wall, whether it is fiberglass in the old duct system that was abandoned for many years and then turned on, whether it is the boiler in the basement with a chimney that is compromised and goes right up through the middle of the building. You set out to deal with one issue, you end up having 4 and 5.
The health minister admitted that Cornwall Regional is not adequately maintained, and as a result, the government has been spending millions to carry out work.
I think that the underlining message in all of this is that government and successive governments have placed too little attention on the maintenance of their assets, of the taxpayers' assets. If it's one thing that we need to learn from this Cornwall Regional experience, is that you cannot build a building and expect that it will last forever without adequate maintenance. Just as you don't buy a car and not take it for routine maintenance, the oil change and so on.
On Tuesday, nurses reported the re-emergence of noxious fumes at the hospital. This months after the situation caused the administration to scale down some of the services offered at the hospital. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.